Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can charge your JBL Charge Essential speaker. So at the first you have to rotate your speaker like that, find this silicone cover, and you have to put your finger right here, then open it, and as you can see right here we can find the jack cable, micro USB and the USB-A. So when you are going to use the charging brick and the cable, you have to plug the cable right here. So you will need the cable with the micro USB end, like this one, and the second one is USB-A. So this one you have to plug right here. The second end you have to put to the charging brick and then plug it to the electricity. And when you make it, this LED indicators at the bottom of your speaker will blink like that. And we got also the charging level. So this one is 100, 80, 60, 40 and the 20. So that's the percentage level of your battery. And yeah, that's all. As you can see, that's very simple and very obvious. You can also use the USB-A cable and plug it right here, and this second end you can plug to your computer, but you need the cable with 2 USB-A end, so 2 times like this one. But that was the method how we can charge with the charging brick. You can also use any other cable. You don't have to use this marking JBL cable. You can use the micro USB cable from your phone, from any other device. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.